And there obviously is a bit of an ex-Arsenal connection here at Fulham as well, so it must be nice to arrive and see a few familiar faces.
Yeah, for sure. You know, it definitely makes it a lot more easier to get comfortable. Like you said, knowing the players that I knew before, yeah, it's been so easy to fit in. Yeah, I'm really happy to be here.
As you said, it was a tough decision for you. What's it like having to leave your boyhood club, the club you love and support, where you've got the number 10 jersey as well, and leave all that behind? It must be really difficult.
Yeah, it was difficult, and obviously I didn't know how it would go because I've obviously never done it before, you know. But yeah, definitely a decision that I had to really think about. I had to put myself first, and you know, I had to just move forward and look forward. So yeah, a massive decision for me and my family, but I'm feeling really happy at the moment. So
it must be slightly sort of heartbreaking moment as well, though, because as I said, you know, all you've ever known is Arsenal. And you've got that iconic number 10 jersey.
Yeah, you know, you could say that, definitely. You know, growing up as an Arsenal fan as well, yeah, it's not an easy decision to make, but you know, I'm sure everyone could understand where I was coming from. You know, my decision, and yeah, not much more to say, to be honest.